Hello, y'all. It's me, Kahari, and today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. Sorry to the people who's in the background. Yep, this is my third channel. Well, I call it second channel now, and the other one I made is my first channel since my other YouTube channel didn't work. But you know what? Let's get into this, shall we? Subway Surfers Part 1 for this channel. And it's almost winter break, so thank God I could probably make more videos. Oh, and y'all, I put it some Christmas list that my mother's gonna get me. It's gonna be really good, so you gotta check it out. But anyways, let's get into this. And if y'all wanna see more videos like these, make sure to subscribe to my channel and my other channel. And make sure to like and hit the bell to get notified. And let's go. I might be a little bit laggy. Huh? Well, that was weird. Let's get into this. Christmas vibes. Sorry, like I said, sorry to the people who's talking in the background. I'll try to talk a little bit louder. Maybe put the volume a little bit louder. Just in case if they're a little bit too loud. Oh, I was trying to get the letter. You can't do that to me. Fine, we get Pogo. And we got Magnet. Let's go. Oh. What? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to focus while I'm not dying. I'm trying my really best to not die. And it's kind of hurting my brain if you think about it. Okay. It hurts your beautiful brain. This brain is only from work only, and I'm stretching it out. My eyes gonna be so watery after this. How did I survive? Oh no, I hit at the last second. I don't want to save myself. Let's try again. Now, if I die on that would have been so sad. I like the new Christmas song for this. If it's perfect. If it's perfect. Ain't happening. And also, for Christmas, I'm gonna try to. I was looking at my face cam. I need to stop doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get myself a camera so I can also and a phone stand so I can see y'all, show y'all what I'm actually playing on the Xbox. It's kind of hard to see if I just show my computer to the Xbox. So yeah, try to get that for Christmas to make YouTube videos easier. This face cam, I got this. You have to go to Google Chrome and go to search a screen cam. You click on the first one and download it to your screen. It's called webcam something. I forgot, but it's really helpful. When I first saw it, when I was like, let's get this. This could be way easier for my kids. So I got it, put it to my Chromebook, and it just worked so helpful. So I can show you what I'm playing on my computer. And it's working, it's helping a lot, to be honest. Jump. Nothing. something special, I bet. But oh, now we're gonna get it. Oh, we're gonna get some hops on this. I got the hops. I got the hops. I got the hops. No, why would you do that? And I just died. Let's go. So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh, I feel I'm gonna die. But I'm not dead, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's just go crazy. Let's go on this one. Go miss. Okay, this one hurts my brain. My eyes gonna still be watery after this. It may not show on the face cam, but right now my eyes are getting a little bit watery. But it's gonna be fine. Oh no! But that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Hold up, y'all. I'll be right back. 9,800. Guys, I'm right back. Okay, let's do like 2 more and just end the video. Oh, and the site I'm using is Pokai. Pokai is a really good site to play, and I started using this since I was a little kid. These stuff are not even rare. Jake, I'm gonna shoot out. Oh, you shoot no more because I don't need to use you. Soon gonna do like Minecraft. I don't think like do Minecraft hardcore mode. Might do that sometime in the future. You know, I want to start a new year, 2021. I mean, let's see what we can do better in 2020. I want to make 2021 the best year ever. Yeah. Oh, Pogo aliens, let's go. Bye. Oh crap. And tell me in the comments down below when it's comments down below what y'all want to get for Christmas. I already know what my Christmas list now, and it's the most weirdest Christmas list I ever played. But I roll with it. When I got, I mean, yeah, Subway Surfers is a really good popular game. Not only is it a popular game, they put it on a computer. Like, it was not too long ago, I think. The drop down is so helpful. Well, for me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. Breathe. I died. And I got the shoes with it. Let's go. I'm unstoppable. Wait, this back. But yeah, what I was saying, well, it was just playing. Yeah, totally. Well, though, got another key. Okay, let's do. don't got the, you know, thing. Let's play one more. I mean, we got Santa, we got Jade. Let's go. Yeah, I'm making 2 channels. Maybe we could get more subs on this channel. Maybe. Who knows? Like. And for my last channel, thank you for all the support. Let's try to get to 20 subscribers for my other channel and this channel. And I'll do a live stream. Y'all gonna have to see the live stream is about for my other channel and this channel. I didn't know that you was supposed to be cheating. I'll try to do some longer videos, and that's it. I hope you like the video. If you do, smash the. I'm just gonna pretend I just kicked the whatever the wall. And see y'all next time. And as always, peace.